Welcome to the How To Studio. In this video, I will show you how you can combine multiple cells into one single cell and separate them by commas and space. So in this example, I have some IP addresses and they are in individual rows and in multiple cells, but I want to just put them in one single cell and have them separated by comma so I can have just one list of IP separated by comma in a single cell. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to separate all of these by commas and a space. That's the first step. So in this cell, I'm going to do equal. I'm going to select my value and then I'm going to do the and sign and then I'm going to do quotation, comma, quotation. So when I press enter, you can see that I've added a comma at the end of my cell. But I also want to add a space after the comma. So to do that, I'm going to do and quotation and my space in quotation again. So now I have a comma and a space. And I am going to apply it for all of these cells. So now my first step is to separate each IP address by comma. Now my second step will be to put all these IP address into one single cell and I am going to copy all of this cell. So I'm just going to highlight everything and then right click and do copy, or you can just highlight everything and then do Control C on your keyboard to copy all of these cells. And then I am going to click clipboard in this single cell, double click on it, then I'm going to do paste. So now, as you can see, all of my values is in one single cell, as you can see right now. So instead of having them listed in individual cells, now they are in one single cell. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to have them in one single line. Right now, they're just broken down. They have a line break in between each of them. So I am going to remove the line break so that they are in one single line. In another cell, I'm going to do equal in trim, and then I'm going to open a bracket, and then I am going to click on this cell, single cell, and press enter. So now you can see my IP addresses is now in one single cell and it's separated by comma and space for each of my IP address. So that is how I merged from multiple cells into one single cell, separating it by comma and space. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.